Hi! In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to Freewheel Mode and demonstrate how to use it to check in guests when scanning IDs isn't possible. Tap to Tour is unique in its ability to scan NFC cards, wearables, and tickets across cruise lines. But there may be times when it's just not possible to scan these IDs. For example, consider this scenario. Bob, a tour operator employee, drops his phone and breaks it. His supervisor, Sally, has a tablet Bob can use, but the cruise line uses NFC cards, which tablets cannot scan. In this case, a ship's crew member has the option to let Bob use Freewheel Mode. This unlocks the ability to check in guests from the roster, making it possible to use Sally's tablet. Here's how it works. The crew member will find today's Freewheel code in Options. This is only visible to crew, is only valid for their ship, and it changes daily. The crew member can share this code with Bob by showing him their phone, or they can tap the code to copy and paste it into a WhatsApp message, for example. When Bob receives the code, he'll go to the roster for the first tour he wants to check in and tap the shield in the upper right of the screen. This will open the Freewheel Mode dialog. Here, Bob enters the code exactly, and then taps Set. The dialog and shield icon will change to show Freewheel Mode is now active. Freewheel Mode is enabled on a per-device basis. This means each user needing Freewheel Mode must follow these steps to unlock it on their device. Once enabled, Freewheel Mode is active on that device for all tours on that ship, for the remainder of the day. Now, when Bob taps a guest name in the not scanned list, he'll find the check-in button is active, and he can tap it to check them in. Guests checked in using Freewheel Mode will have a ship's wheel icon next to their name in the roster, and it will be noted in reports. Here are a couple things to keep in mind when using Freewheel Mode. If your tour is using groups, be sure to choose your group before using Freewheel to check in guests. Get a crew member or leader's permission before sharing the Freewheel code with others. Freewheel Mode is tracked, so everyone will know who uses the code. That's it. It may not be often, but when you do need it, Freewheel Mode is here to help.
You can learn more about using Tap to Tour at taptotour.com/training.